So we're
Okay.
gonna play Find the Queen with you.
They all look the same. They all have little yellow and black butts.
I'm gonna use my hive tool and loosen up all their propolis. And they use propolis like a bee glue. So this is a brood frame. I know she's here because I see eggs.
Oh, yeah. I can see them inside there, yeah. I mean, is she gonna have some bling on? I mean, her nails painted? Like, how are we
Oh,
gonna
she'll
know?
have a crown on.
There are so many bees here, and finding the one queen looked a little impossible.
This is kind of a needle in a haystack situation.
It's always about the queen. Without the queen, we don't have a colony of bees. Oh, I see her.
Alicia helped me find the queen bee out of 4,000 bees.
It's like just bigger, right?
Yes,
kind
she has
of
a longer abdomen.
A longer abdomen. That is so cool. Out of all these bees, to find that one bee. Now, if something were to happen to that queen, what would happen to this colony?
They'd have to make a new queen with one of her eggs.
Wow, incredible. Very important to have a queen.
She keeps the hive going.
She keeps the hive in check.